Panelist number 8. Bago natin tawagin ang ating last panelist, narito muna ating criteria for judging: voice quality 50%, stage presence 30%, audience impact 20%, for a total of 100%.
Uy, may mga premyo. Banggitin mo na rin, banggitin mo na rin.
Okay. Third place, 5,000 pesos. Ang second will receive 10,000 pesos. At ating grand prize winner, O Diva for 1999, 30,000 pesos.
Okay. Ang ating grand finalist number 9 ay taga Pasig City. Oh, kayo. Yung mga madadala sa Pasig. Tumutuwa. Okay.
Ito kaya fans ni number 9 o fans ng Pasig?
Pasig. Okay. Greatest love of all. Bakit ba yung mga kanta sa mga contest na ganito eh? Mga ganyan. Greatest love of all. Mga talagang wala kumakanta ng Macarena. Bakit ba? Bakit ba? Ano ba? Wala bang pag-asa yan? Explica mo. Wala ba
Paano
ng
mo kayo nabasa?
mga loka-loka, yung mga ganun. Wala bang ganun.
Paano mo kasi ilalabas sa musicality ng tao sa Macarena, di ba?
Ano ba yun?
Dami lang kakwepo, alegre yung Macarena. Kunyari, diba ka gumaganya. Kasi ka,
Ito ang mga balat. Greatest love of all, our 9th finalist, Benj Reyes.
ayan naman si Ben. Ikaw, may tanong ka dyan.
Yung nga saan natatanong. Ikaw, magtanong ka.
Okay. Si Benz naman. Benz, kunyari din lang manalo ka sa O Diva, kanino mo iaalay ang iyong pagkapanalo?
Napakarami po.
Isa lang.
Isa lang,
Oo.
Una mong iaalay.
sa una kong aalayan. To that very special someone who gave me this gift.
What gift? Ay,
This gift.
Okay. Second.
boses mo.
Yeah. I'll offer this to the Lord.
Oh.
O kunyari, may second. May second.
Of course, my parents.
Ito naman, isa lang, tapos ikaw nagsabi, isa lang.
Hindi, parang
Hinigpitan mo, tapos
Parang maganda pakinggan si Mr.
Parang natakot ka sa Lord, eh, no? Natakot ka, no? Kinilabutan ka nung marinig mo yung Lord.
Kung puno.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, eto na. Para masara na yung ating O Diva Grand Final. Finalist number 9, Benj Reyes.
This is sorry, please. I believe the children of these times teach them well in their family children. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter reminds us how we used to be. Everybody searching for a hero. He's only one to look up to. Never found anyone to fulfill my needs alone and playing selfish. So I learned to depend on you. I started long ago. Never to want anyone
Ben Reyes.
Okay, uli ang aming pasasalamat sa ating mga judges. Mr. Ralion Alonso, thank you, Ralion. Danny Tan, Mr. Vic Soto, and Dulce. At siyempre pa ang ating magagaling na mga strings at yung sonata strings. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga banda rito sa kanan naman, ang banda Malabon.
Chubibing and the Shombol.
Sonata strings and Chutuping and Sombol.
Yes.
Okay, eto na. Aga Regine, pagbabalik natin at yung desisyon ng sino kaya? Panel of judges ng Diva Grand Final sa pagbabalik ng Eat Bulaga! Hindi yun nasasabihin ko eh. Pakialam ka na naman eh. Hindi naman Eat Bulaga sasabihin ko eh. Pakialamero ka eh. Wala talaga. Wala ka na.
Hindi naman ka na.
Pakialam eh.
Para sa araw na ito.
Okay.
At, okay, to receive 5,000 pesos any class, garnering an average score of 93 points, and to be awarded by Dulce. Ito ang second runner-up. Yes, our Audiva second place winner is... Second runner-up is Audiva number 7, Regina Mendez. And I am telling you... Congratulations to our second place winner. And now, to receive 10,000 pesos and a plaque, garnering an average score of 94.5 points, to be awarded by Mr. Danny Tan. Our All Diva first place winner is...
Ay nako. First runner-up.
First runner-up. Eh, nakalagay eh. Okay. First runner-up is All Diva number 9, Beth Reyes. The greatest love of all. So,
Eto na.
bago natin i-announce ang nanalo, we would like to thank Red Sus Flower Shop for our bouquet of flowers.
Okay.
Thank you. At ang nagwagito!
Okay, eto na. Eto na nagwagi rito.
Sabi, kailangan nakadaan.
Cool Bukol. Direct. Okay, eto na.
Fanfare. Ayan, kailangan.
Diva Grand Finals. Judges' decision based on the counted results. Garnering an average score of 97 points. To be awarded by Dulce and Mr. Danitan. At siyempre pa may award yung 30,000 pesos and a trophy. Happy birthday to Bert De Leon kahapon, yung director namin.
Happy
Bert,
birthday. And happy birthday to Tibet.
ano muna, pass muna siyang hapon. Next year na celebration.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Our O-Diva Grand Finals winner, the diva of all divas. Ladies and gentlemen, our winner is Nina Castillo. One hello. O-Diva number 5, Nina Castillo. One hello. Nina Castillo. One hello.
Congratulations. Congratulations to our Audiva Dollar winner. Grand winner. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you everybody for watching. See you next week.
And once again, here's our winner,